now we're going to take 1 or 2 minutes just to talk about the actual sensor elements of the MGS-400 series. One of the key advances that Bacharach have invested in from a development standpoint is around the design of pre-calibrated sensor modules for the range. These are designed to be plug-and-play modules to be fully field exchangeable and to take a couple of minutes just in terms of that process. So one of the concepts behind that is, again, feeding into this idea of making the platform extremely easy to use, install, commission, and maintain, and to also save engineers time on site in terms of the traditional manual calibration that they may traditionally do. No requirement for calibration gas. All of the information for the calibration of the sensor is held on the sensor module itself. And importantly, there's no specialist tools required or training to carry out the procedure. Okay, so just in terms of the sensor module, you have we'll take this MGS-400 unit here and the screwdriver which comes with the kit. I've already pre-loosened some of these screws here. So if we take the faceplate off the detector, okay, so you'll see inside the detector here, we have the main PCB, you have your power coming in, you have your Modbus connections, and on the back of the faceplate here, we have the sensor module that you can see here. So to remove the sensor module, you just need to remove this ribbon cable here, and then the faceplate comes completely away from the main housing. And then to remove the sensor, it's a simple twist and pull. And this pulls away the module itself. So as you can see, it's a fully formed sensor module. We have the sensor built in to the unit here. Each sensor module comes with its own PCB, and this PCB holds all of the calibration information, the sensor information, so it will hold the information on what the sensor is calibrated for, the gas, the sensor range, the calibration history. All of those things are held within this PCB. So when you come to replace a sensor on site, instead of having to do a manual calibration or replace the sensor and go through a whole host of different setup routines, you simply take the old unit out as we've just done there. You take the new unit and you place in, twist, and you reconnect to the ribbon cable here, remount the faceplate, and the system automatically adjusts and is aware of the sensor that we have in here. So it's a very quick, clean, and easy process. The sensor modules are pre-calibrated, so there's no requirement for an additional calibration on installation. So a very quick and easy solution to support our engineers in the field with regard to calibration.